have a new kit that we can ship to you. It's our summer sunshine in a box.
Looks like sunshine in a box.
Yeah. So it's just beautiful, bountiful summer sunflowers, minis, whites, and lots of fun textures. So it's gonna look just like this.
Fun little pops of blue. It's a lot of product.
Yeah.
It's like literally bursting out.
Yes. So all you DIYers, or if you know a DIYer, this is
Or
a
you
fun
want
one.
to be a DIY.
And you're just like, maybe I can do this one. This one's pretty easy, actually, and really fun.
And super versatile.
Yes, so the
Do
idea
you.
is
You do you.
you get to open this box just as is, but you get to decide, do you want to make it into...
Container not included.
Beautiful bouquet. So just from all the same components, you can do this bouquet.
And it's pre-cut, so you know when we pack them up, we're kind of doing a little bit of help for you. We're taking the time to cut it at different lengths that we would use for these things. So that's super helpful right there, just with proportion. So you have the bouquet option, which is great in a vase. It's great as it is.
Right.
And then you drop it into a container that you have or a container that you purchased from us.
Exactly. And then, same product, exact same product out of the box. I've chosen to do a door decor, down swag. It's got the ribbon in there. This is just something really pretty. I do that down shape on a door. All the same items. Just designing it in a different way, to each their own.
The ribbon is also wired, which is super nice and versatile, and it's
flips.
two-sided.
Yeah, so if you like the check, go for the check. That's a fun pattern.
Yeah.
But if you're not a big check fan, you tie it the way you like it, and the green will be real crisp.
That's right. And then your third option is your wreath, and we've done this kind of in a crescent design, so it's just a little bit of a half with some pretty cascading. Same ribbon, kind of doing its thing here. So the grapevine wreath is actually an add-on item on our website. So if it's something that you don't have access to around you, it's definitely something that you can add on to. But again, that's a separate item that's not included in the box, but you can definitely throw that on so it all comes to your house at the same time.
Well, so you could do the swag, or you could say, you know what, I want to buy that grapevine wreath from you. We'll ship you that too, and you can do it that way as well, which is really pretty.
And all of our looks are obviously just suggestions. Again, you guys kind of have your own look, do your own design, but the components are there.
We just encourage you to get creative and make pretty.
Check it out online.
Summer sunshine in a box.
Sunshine in a box. Yeah, super fun. Great for the heat of summer. Great for a gift. Too. Very cool gift going out. Also, we're kind of cranking back up, so look for us.
Yeah. We're gonna
on
do
social
more.
media.
We'll do these classes online, so you know how to do it.
And then we're getting the calendar together, guys. You guys have been asking. So,
we're so excited to get back out there and do some flowers with you.
Yep. Thanks, guys.
Bye.